So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to correctly choose a facial serums without the guide of anybody. Like, you can be a professional on your own. That is the main reason why I'm making this video. You can personally know what works for you. You need to know how to choose your serum correctly. A lot of people always come to my inbox or DMs or telling me that can they use their body oils on their face. Please, anything stated body oil is not for the face. That is why this video is here today, to teach you on how to correctly choose your facial serums. But before we do that, let's talk about the importance of facial serums in our skincare routine. Basically, facial serums are skincare products that are formulated or designed to nourish our skin that makes it powerful enough to target specific skin concerns. Serums contain concentration of powerful active ingredients in them, more than the regular facial creams we use today, and that makes it a solution to treat tough skin concerns. So if you are struggling with certain skin concerns that are going out of hand, you should consider adding facial serums into your skincare routine today. And I want you to know that when choosing your serum, you can pair 2 or more serums together to give you the best result, so that you get the whole benefits. There are some serums that are designed to contain 2 or 3 or more ingredients in a bottle. Do you understand? But in that case, they contain lower percentage, unlike a single bottle that contains only hyaluronic acid. So that one will contain a better percentage than when it is being combined with other ingredients like maybe niacinamide, retinol, vitamin C and stuff like that. In essence, a bottle containing just one active ingredient in it tends to be more powerful than in a combined formulation. Do you understand? Now, this takes us to what you need to know before you start using a facial serum. First of all, you need to know your skin type and also know your skin concerns. Some people, their own is acne. Some people, their skin is dryness. Some people, they are sensitive skin. So you need to know your skin concerns. Some people struggle with melasma, struggle with a lot of blackheads and stuff like that. So try and know your specific skin concerns and also your skin type. With that, you're going to select the best serum for your skin type and your skin concern. Generally, we have the dry skin, we have the oily skin, we have the normal skin, we have the combination skin. So if you are an oily person and you're using that of the dry skin, you will definitely end up clogging your pores. So you need to know, so you will not waste your money by buying different serums and later you tell me it's not working for me. The thing is, you're not selecting the right product for you. You're not using the specific serum that suits your skin. So if you know you have not been using facial serums today, please get one, because facial serum is going to help you. It's going to elevate your skin glow. Yes, what serum does is different from what your facial cream will do for you. And just know that facial serum is very important, even more than your toner. Yeah, it is more important. It will help you more, even more than your toner. A toner, they will tell you is optional, but you see, facial serum is not negotiable. You need a facial serum in your routine. With that being said, let me teach you how you can choose the right facial serums. Starting off strong, we're starting with normal skin type. If you fall under the category of normal skin type, you should get serums that contain number 1, retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid. These are serums you should work with. With these serums, you're going to get the best out of your skincare routine. And also note, I said earlier, you can combine 2 or more of them together. You can decide to do 2, you can decide to, but just know that any serum you're getting, make sure these active ingredients are in them. That is retinol, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid. Now, if you fall under the category of a dry skin type, you should work more with serums that contain lactic acid, ceramides, which will help your skin barrier, which will help you in moisturizing your skin, glycerin, moisture also, hyaluronic acid, moisture also, and vitamin C, which is for brightening, while lactic acid is for exfoliation. Do you understand? And lactic acid also moisturizes the skin, unlike glycolic acid. Glycolic acid will tend to it will exfoliate, but it might be drying for a dry skin type. But lactic acid, which is derived from milk, sour milk, is going to help in moisturizing your skin while exfoliating. Do you understand? That is why lactic acid is more suitable for people with dry skin. Now, if you fall under the category of an oily skin type, you need to work more with serums that contain retinol, which will help you in cell turnover and stuff like that. And you also need serum that has salicylic acid. Any serum that contains salicylic acid is so good for you. And also glycolic acid, niacinamide. Though this niacinamide does not work for everybody, there are some people that niacinamide does not really work for too. So just know, if niacinamide is not suitable for you, you can work with any other active ingredients. So basically, when you're getting a serum, make sure it contains retinol, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and niacinamide as a oily skin type. Niacinamide, for example, helps with oil production. It helps in regulating and controlling your sebum production. The glycolic acid will help in exfoliating your skin. Salicylic acid at the same time will help you in treating pigment. And lastly, if you fall under the category of the combination skin type, you should look out for serums that contain this. Please note these stuffs I'm mentioning to you. Just know, when you work with these ingredients, you're not going to be wasting your money, buy this, buy that, buy that one. You will see that your skin will, you have a constant look. Your face will always be in a good condition. If you fall under the category of people that are combination skin, you need to work more with mandelic acid, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid. Do you understand? So if you know you fall under this category, kindly note that these are the kind of serum you should work with. So mandelic acid is very good in brightening. Niacinamide will help your skin so well. It will help you with texturizing when you have open pores and stuff like that. So these are the serums that will work for you. If you want me to also explain what each and every one of these ingredients does to the skin, you can notify me in the comment section at the same time, so I would create a video to also explain what each and every one of them. But if you don't mind, you can use your Google to check. Just type the ingredient, like glycolic acid, for example. What does glycolic acid do to the skin? You will read through, and that is how to be familiar with your skincare product actives. Do you understand? So when it comes to, even there are some of my customers that when they come for consultation, I will always tell them, when I do your recommendation, go make your research on each and every one of them. Go make your research on each and every one of the products I recommended to you. Do you understand? So you would be familiar with them. You wouldn't say, oh, IJEOMA gave you this, that one. Make your research. Go ask questions. Ask questions about the product. Do you understand? So now we've come to the end of this. Don't mind NEPA. They've taken my light and it doesn't stop anything. So if this video was very much helpful, please kindly help me to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video to people that might be in need of it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.